Hey guys, welcome to Sheer Inspiration. Today we are going to be planting some peonies. So there's a lot of back and forth that I went on before I decided I wanted to plant these. The zone that I'm in is 8B. Everywhere that I've read, after searching hundreds of websites and reading so many books, I finally found that what they need is 32 degrees for at least 6 weeks. I have that. I can provide that. So if you are anywhere above zone 8, say 9A or 9B, which I think a lot of the desert folk in Arizona, Nevada fall into B, then I would not recommend these. But if you are in 8B or 8A, up until anywhere from 3 to zone 8, you can plant these guys and in about a couple of years have blooms. Now, something to remember is they don't bloom right away. They do take their time. They are fragrant flowers, so it is worth it. Definitely a showstopper type of plant. I have them soaking in water, as I normally have everything else soaking in water before I plant it. Any bare root. If you see these eyes, they need to be barely underground, about an inch or so. I've seen some videos where they're planting them about 2 inches deep, but they're in London, so they're in way colder zone than I'm in, and I don't want to risk the fact that I planted them too deep. So I'm going to stay with just putting these eyes, if you can see, right below the surface. I'm going with just 1 inch, barely covering, and that's it. All right, enough talking. Let's get planting. So I've located a spot where it's going to get full sun. In the summertime it's going to get some shade as well, because my sun is too hot and I don't want to kill the plant. I've stirred up the soil as I would plant anything else, and this is how we're going to do it. I have 3 total. These were on sale. 3 bare root for is it. 1 inch is what I went with, and I got 2 more to go. Same exact thing. Barely put it underground, and all right, third one. Same thing. Looks like it's got 2 eyes hanging out, and here we go. And all right, always do your labeling. I have mine somewhere, but anyway, you can follow my own advice and locate my label. Apparently I lost it. But yes, label the peonies, and hopefully next year I will have some results to show you. Have a good one, guys. See you in the next video.